wanted to just make this quick video about this Chevrolet Cruze 2019 year model with daewoo gearbox. So my issue was that the speedometer didn't work, but the cluster was totally okay. So first of all, your drain plug is over there, but it has some 50mm till the absolute bottom of this oil pan, so you have to take it off, all these bolts. Take them off and leave one bolt over there, and then it will be stuck, so you need hammer and then take this oil thing where you can drop all the oil, put it like 10 centimeters away from this edge on here, like this, and then just punch it with the hammer so it will drop down and spill all oil to this can here. You can see that plastic gear over there, and that is your issue. Here's the differential. The front of the car is over there, and I'm like this halfway. So that gear is contacted to axle that spins, and the sensor reads it, and the gear itself will like decontact from the axle, and obviously it will not give you the speed reading. So we're gonna take that off. It will be easier to do it from upside. Speedo sensor is that thing over there, and it has, looks like to be 10mm bolt. If you take it off, you unplug that and you just lift it off. Okay, I got it unplugged, but the rest of it got stuck over there. So basically it snapped half. I'm now trying to get it off. Okay, and it's over here, and look how broken is it. Here's the part. So first of all, the clip goes in there, and it has some kind of clamp that goes over this notch, so you have to lift it like up and pull. This actual sensor can be unplugged. It has a thread over there, and it goes like over there. The easiest way to get the part out is with a rubber lay on this engine bay, so you can get your both hands over there. As you can see it, I don't have flashlight on. Here I have the new part. So first you need to put this back in. This, just plug it. Actually take this off, this part, and then just screw this in like this, and you just plug this whole thing back in the gearbox. The part should pop in pretty easily. After that you need to put this bolt back in, and then just re-plug it. So you can see it's now currently detached. Just plug it in, and then we go to the bottom. Okay, and the new part is in on its own place. Well, this gearbox leaks from its every single seal it has, so I'm not bothering even to put new seal on this one. Okay, all the bolts are now like hand tight. You might want to use some kind of torque wrench, and remember to tighten them like first this, then like this and this, and then we start like from here. I have now, what does it say, 19 Newton meters. That's the lowest I can get with my torque wrench, so hope it works. The most important thing is that they are all evenly tight. So now I have tightened the bottom plate, and now I should find the oil filling cap. That is what I think it is that over there. How can I get there? That notch next to that gear shifting lever. Here you can see it better. I think it is this one. It has some plastic kind of cover on it, but it's literally the only logical place in this particular gearbox there where you can find any kind of filling screw. There really isn't much options. Nope, it must be it. Got the plastic notch off with the screwdriver, and that's what I see now. As I said, it was the filler cap, but the cap actually is kind of banjo bolt. That is, you don't need to kind of even take this off. Just take the plastic cap off and put a hose in there and just pump the oil in. So maybe I'll just put this back then. Okay, I'm putting it back. It's right on this place. This is 17mm. Where is it? Right there. 17. And all the way down. And just it's some kind of mixture metal, so be gentle. Just like slightly tightening. Okay, I think I cut the video here. You know, you need to just put the hose in there and take the gearbox specific oil. I think you will find them from the internet. Right, that's about it.